The Recipe Room. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of making the perfect steak. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, follow along as we share our tips and techniques to achieve a juicy and flavorful steak every time. Step 1. Choosing the right steak. Start by selecting a high-quality cut of steak, such as ribeye, sirloin, or filet mignon. Look for well-marbled meat with a rich red color. The thickness of the steak should be around 1 to 1.5 inches to ensure even cooking. Step 2. Preparing the steak. Remove the steak from the refrigerator and let it come to room temperature for about 30 minutes. This will help the steak cook more evenly. Pat the steak dry with a paper towel to remove any excess moisture, which will aid in achieving a good sear. Step 3. Seasoning. Generously season both sides of the steak with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. You can also add additional spices or herbs according to your preference, such as garlic powder, paprika, or rosemary. Make sure to gently press the seasoning into the meat. Step 4. Preheating the pan. Heat a heavy-bottomed skillet or grill pan over high heat until it's smoking hot. Drizzle a small amount of oil with a high smoke point, like canola or vegetable oil, onto the pan and spread it evenly. Step 5. Searing the steak. Carefully place the steak onto the hot pan, laying it away from you to avoid any oil splatters. Allow the steak to sear without moving it for about 2-3 minutes, or until a deep, golden brown crust forms. Flip the steak using tongs and repeat the process for the other side. Step 6. Cooking to desired doneness. To determine the doneness of the steak, you can use a meat thermometer or the finger test. For medium rare, cook the steak until it reaches an internal temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 57 degrees Celsius. Adjust the cooking time according to your preferred level of doneness. Step 7. Resting the steak. Once the steak reaches the desired doneness, remove it from the pan and transfer it to a cutting board. Allow the steak to rest for about 5-10 minutes to allow the juices to redistribute and the steak to become more tender. Step 8. Slicing and serving. After resting, slice the steak against the grain into thin strips. This will ensure tenderness. Serve the steak immediately and garnish it with fresh herbs, such as parsley or thyme, if desired. Pair it with your favorite side dishes, like roasted potatoes or a crisp salad. Congratulations! You've learned how to make the perfect steak. Remember to choose a quality cut, properly season and sear the steak, cook it to your desired doneness, and allow it to rest before slicing. With these tips, you'll be able to enjoy a restaurant-quality steak right in the comfort of your own home. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking! Thanks for watching.